And his truck is down!
I miss the old track.
It's like covered in crud.
Go back.
My bad.
Ow.
I think I'm out of battery.
Already?
I have another 200. How can I use this 100?
My brand new one? What? I haven't even used it.
That's because you don't know how to drive a car anymore.
It'll be a great racer though.
If you can keep it going straight.
I'm working on it.
Does it not spin?
He hasn't driven it.
It looks really sweet.
What we should do for ERC is not necessarily just like reviews, like just videos of driving stuff. Don't you think so?
Sure. Out of the way, cars! And he rolls it.
I don't even know how that happened.
You broke your servo?
No, just.
Ow. And he's on the outside.
Get that going!
Come on. Not again.
Really?
Ow. Such pain.
Possibly be wrong now.